Welcome to Big Startup News, Sunday edition with Sachin Manan. Your weekly dose of the latest and greatest in the world of startups, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Let's dive in.
India's high-tech startups have secured over 900 patents since 2008 in AI, IoT, and neurotech, says a study by NASSCOM. In AI, important areas are image and language processing, predictive modeling. Emerging areas include general AI, medical data processing, and cognitive computing.
AI for AP. High school students create tool that acts as tech tutor for advanced placement courses. Frustrated by inadequate resources to help students study for advanced placement courses, 2 Seattle area high school teens turned to technology and put AI to work on AP.
Archetype AI startup builds AI models which help you to talk to houses, cars, and factories. To read more, check out link in bio.
Archetype AI is built in Newton, the first foundation model that understands the physical world. It fuses complex sensor data with natural language to understand and reason about what's happening in the world around us. We call our technology a large behavior model because of its ability to reveal the world's hidden patterns of behavior that are beyond our perception.
Our vision is to encode the entire physical world. Newton is one foundation model for all kinds of sensor data beyond basic text and images, from radar to inertial sensors to chemical and environmental sensors. These different types of sensors reveal different aspects of the world, phenomena that we, as humans, can't directly perceive. Combined together, this will give us a complete understanding of the physical world around us.